Okay, ajaran Nura.
Yes.
That's like A, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. What is your full name, please?
My name is Ajaran Nura, but if it were difficult to call me Ajaran, you can call me Nura or Aira.
Okay, right. So where are you from?
I come from Greater Aceh, Indrapuri, exactly.
Okay. So how are you today?
Honestly, I'm quite nervous to be here.
Okay, right. Okay, can I see your ID, please?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Okay. All right, Ajaran Nura, do you work or study in Banda Aceh?
For now, I don't work neither study. I don't work nor study, but for now, I'm currently participating in English training for 3 months.
Okay, right. Okay, now we would like to talk about your family,
Yes.
right? Okay, tell me something about your family.
Well, my family consists of 7%. There is my father, my mother, and then an older sister, and then I'm the second born. And there I have 2 younger sisters and 1 younger brother. So the youngest is a son,
Okay,
only 1 son.
okay, only one son.
Yes.
All right. And then, what do you enjoy doing with your family?
Well, it's quite difficult actually to answer because all the 5 children are quite different in age.
Yeah.
So we have about 4 years or 3 years age gap.
Right.
In the past, I like to enjoy gardening with my father. So during weekend, my father works as a teacher, so he only has free time on weekend. He would invite me and my sister back then to our small orchard behind our house, and he would teach us how to garden, to plant some things like green beans or corn. We did it, but after the third children was born, the third child has born, we never did that anymore.
Okay, so it seems like you really enjoy doing such things with your family.
Yeah, but
Okay.
then the weather wasn't really hot like right now. So we went out in the morning and we got back around 11. So it was really enjoyable.
Okay, right. Okay, do you prefer spending time with your family or with your friends?
It might be quiet, that doesn't really sound like me, but I can tell that I am a family person. So I will choose to spend time with my family rather than my friends. But it doesn't mean that I will not go out with my friends. Sometimes I will go out with them, but if there is choice, if I have to, whether I have to stay at home or go with my friends, I will prioritize my family.
Okay, so that is your family person. Okay, now we go on to your hometown.
Yes.
Okay, could you please tell me something about your hometown?
My hometown is just a small village surrounded by the rice field. So not many villagers live in there, and most of the villagers are working as a farmer. I think there are only about maybe 40 families live in there. So that place is really tranquil. It's a bit windy, but not really hot. So it's really nice to live in there.
Okay, right. So, in overall, what do you like about your hometown?
The first of all is the tranquility. I like a quiet place because I personally prefer to live in a village. I don't like a crowded place or noisy place. Like I have experience living in a suburb,
Right.
and I can say that my stress level was quite high when living in there. So
Okay.
the tranquility.
Okay, right. Okay, now we go on to the next topic that we would like to discuss, that is about school. Okay. So, what was your high school like? Yeah. How is your school? Is it nice, or how is it like?
The school itself, the school itself was nice, but probably I can really say that high school was my most enjoyable moment of life, because at that time I joined in science major. Well, I'm not really good at science, but I had no choice because I wanted to take a psychology major, and at that time I only knew that psychology belongs to the science. But it turned out that my parents didn't allow me to take psychology outside of our region.
Okay.
And it turned out that in Jakarta University,
Yeah.
psychology belongs to this social science. So my 2 years in high school was a living hell.
Okay, right. Because you don't like science at
Yes,
the time.
but I have to cope up with biology, with chemistry, and worst of all, math.
Okay, right. So among the subjects that you had at school, what was your favorite subject?
I only like language, I can say, whether it English, Bahasa Indonesia, or Arabic. But yeah, those three are the only high grade in my school report.
Okay, right. Okay, thank you very much, Nura. We finished part 1, and now we go on to part 2. So there will be one cue card that I will give you, and this is the cue card. Maybe you see that one?
Yeah.
Okay, Nura, you have 1 minute to think what you would like to say, and then you are given 1 to 2 minutes to talk about the topic in the card. Okay, you want to start now?
Yes.
Okay, you can look, you can join reading.
Yes.
Okay, you may start now.
Yeah. This is the book I read during my senior year in university. So the title was 100-Year-Old Man Who Climbed Out of the Window and Disappeared. It was written by Jonas Jonasson, a Swedish novel writer, and I suppose it was his first novel. And this story tells about an old man. He was exactly 100 years old. At that time, he was living in the nursery homes, but he doesn't like to live there. And on his 100th birthday, he ran away. He escaped from that place. So the first thing that caught my eyes was the character itself. It's a 100-year-old man. I cannot imagine how can such an old person do this action.
Yeah.
So it tells about this old man, a retired expert, explosive retired expert. So in the storyline, it turned out that he played a major role in world political event during World War II. So because he was an explosive expert, he was hired by many army or governments to create explosive to burn bridge or to explode their enemies equipment, something like that. But after the war went to peace, he then somehow got back to his home countries, and he was taught to live in the nursery home and was given a retirement fees by the government. But he doesn't like to live such a boring life, so he decided to escape. And at that time, he was such a simple person, so at that time he only want to travel back.
Yeah, it seems like the story of the book is very interesting.
Yes.
Okay, Nura, I think we finished part 2 right now. Okay, thank you very much for your participation.